Hi everyone, welcome to my show, Journey of the Spirit. Today I'll be sharing with you a very unique, special, powerful bird of the bird kingdom known as the king and the noble bird. I'll be drawing a painting of the noble bird, the eagle, and after that I'm going to share with you a very native Bangladeshi dish, a fish with vegetables, just rice. Nowadays, the native culture is kind of the focus of the world heritage and history. I have studied that most of the native cultures almost have the similar cultural heritage and history, especially if you can see this handmade traditional cloth by the native Bangladeshis. This is one of the designs, the jewelry I'm wearing. This is also the native Bangladeshi. This all symbolize even the Native Americans, the Native Europeans, the Native Hawaiians. All of them are just rooted for only one word that is called the native, the root of this art, the root of this world. Natives will never die. In one of my poems, I said, we still remember you. Remember how you have done your paintings. Remember how you have shared your stories, how you have shared your art, culture, your clothings, your honesty, your integrity, your language. We will never forget you. Today's my show is a tribute to all the natives of the world, to honor, respect the native cultures of this world, and among those who has fought for this culture, who has become the great warriors, the natives. And because of the natives are so close with this eagle bird, for every native cultures, they are known as the brave bird, the noble bird, the star of the bird. So I'll be dedicated. Let me start drawing my star of the birds, the noble bird, the eagle, and then wait for the delicacy of native Bangladeshi, a fish curry, rice, and there'll be some more surprises. All right, come on, let me start. First, just do the outline of the eagle bird, the great noble bird, and then I'm just gonna do my, all my secrets of my painting, right? So this special bird is known as the noble bird, who flies really high, who has great eyesight, who is not afraid of anything, who can just shed his feathers, and then grow new feathers. Just everything he does is just symbolizes the power, strength, and wisdom. And he's not afraid to be alone. That's why if you are never fit into the society, to the culture, don't be afraid. Don't feel bad, because eagle bird, the king of the birds, is not afraid to be alone. This is the unique bird, symbolizes the divine grace, strength, wisdom, and power. Right, so let me do the first part of my painting. Let me see. Hope you can see this way. All right, so let me start with the wings. Side, the wings. Oh, you see, I have so many wings already. And then just keep it here. Okay. The wind is just so high today, huh? All right. So now here comes my part of this. Now comes the body. Okay. very sharp, very, very sharp. It's just the outline of the eagle bird. Let me just do one thing.